sure to watch out for that.
Whoa!
Graham, are you stealing cookies from the cookie jar again?
No, that definitely wasn't me.
Look out! Holiday Yummy's coming through! Hold this. I bought absolutely everything on our shopping list.
Well, no wonder it took you so long, Betty.
Yeah, that's about as long as Santa's nice.
And I can conclude that based on how many sweets we're about to send around the world, we'll all be on that list this year.
Then let's get everything cleaned up and ready for another day of holiday baking.
Wait a minute, has anyone seen our teacher?
Mrs.
Claus?
Mrs. Claus?
Oh, hey, look, here's a letter, and it's written to us.
Dear holiday helpers, Mr. Claus and I are attending the annual sleigh show today. While I'm gone, please bake some gingerbread and build the special gingerbread house for the elves. Don't forget the most important ingredient, a sprinkle of holiday magic. Toodaloo!
Oh no.
Magic? Holiday magic is only for the elves.
Yeah, we don't need to believe in that stuff to make the best gingerbread ever.
But gingerbread is the hardest recipe in the book.
Oh, that's right. How will we get it all done in time? Oh.
Gingerbread house icing on top, gumdrop doorknob, so much to do. How when things get all up is done, we have so much to do. How when things get all up is done, so much to do. Happy holidays to you.
Betty, please pass the recipe book.
Recipe book coming through.
Okay, let's find that gingerbread on page
1,225.
Got it! First, the flour that's whiter than snow, fluffy and powdery too.
We pour it in the bowl to start a doughy roll.
Then check the recipe book so we know what to do.
Add in 1 egg, but ever so gently. Whoa! Pieces of shell just won't do.
When inside the kitchen, we only have one mission, making holiday sweets for you.
Dashing through the room, just let me lick the spoon.
Graham, stop messing around. We've gotta get this done.
It's time for step 3. Golden and dreamy past the butter. A bit of savor, it's a gem.
Mix it in while looking. Now we're really cooking.
Give it a quick taste. Ooh, Credella creme.
Flavorful spices are the secret. Cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg too. When inside the kitchen, we only have one mission, making holiday sweets for you.
Gingerbread, ginger holidays.
Graham, get back here with that spoon.
Never. Hey, look, it's the final step of the recipe, and it's adding all the sugar.
How many cups of sugar do we need?
9.
9 cups of sugar. Okay, everyone, count with us. Out loud.
1, 2, 3,
Now wait a second. 4,
5,
6, you're doing great.
7,
8, 9. You all so much for all of your help. You know, we might be able to get this all done after all.
Here we go!
time to stir in all the sweetness. Delectable for your sweet tooth. When inside the kitchen, we only have one mission, making holiday sweets.
See no magic needed.
Making holiday sweets.
Pour it out now. Hurry up.
They're the tastiest treats.
Into the oven you go!
Making holiday sweets for you.
Now set the timer for 45 minutes.
Back to work. Here we go.
Baking treats is all we know.
What's that smell?
Fire!
Quick, grab the towel.
The gingerbread will be ruined.
Bucket of water! Bucket of water!
Somebody find the oven mitts.
That's not working.
It must have been the cinnamon.
Oh, Christmas commotion!
But what did we do wrong?
Well, I can help with that. Hi, holiday helpers.
Whoa! Do you see what I see?
I can't believe it. It's a gingerbread man.
A real-life cookie in our kitchen?
Wait! How is this even real?
This is amazing.
Frosty the Snowman was alive as he could be. Yeah!
Okay, but you're really here. Frosty was just a story that didn't really happen.
Sure it did. That's the magic of the holidays. And it seems you won't be able to complete everything today without believing in that yourselves.
Well, why would we believe in holiday magic when we still have so much work left to do?
Maybe a little belief is just what you need.
Really? Oh, a little belief. Can you believe this is even happening? And I don't understand this whole holiday magic thing. We've got to keep working. And if he's here, he'll just spill sugar all over the kitchen.
Oh, I have an idea. Why don't we just put him back into the oven?
Yes.
Okay, Gingerbread Man, into the oven you
Wait
go!
a minute, Fig. According to my measurements, I really don't see how he would fit back in the oven.
We could eat him! What? I thought it was a good idea.
Oh, no, there's just got to be another way that we can get everything all done.
Well, good news. I'm here to help. No one knows how to bake a more magical batch of gingerbread than the Gingerbread Man himself.
Hey, he makes a good point.
Okay, fine, we will give it a try. But since we've got to work quickly, Mrs. Claus is counting on us.
Right then, first, we must start our new batter and pronto. Holiday helpers, line up. Betty, Fig, Pepper, and Graham. Now please, pass the butter. Wait a minute, this is a bitter butter.
Daddy!
What? It was buy one, get one.
Oh, so you mean to tell me if Betty hadn't bought a bitter butter, then her batter would taste better?
That's definitely a start. Betty bought a bitter butter because bitter butter's bigger. When you put it in your batter, it did make your batter bitter.
Now, wait a minute. Not a better bit of butter. Will that make our batter better? If we find some better butter, better than the bitter butter.
Yeah, that'll work.
Hooray!
So let's find some better butter, better than the bitter butter. Then we'll put it in our batter, so our batter won't be bitter. Because Betty bought a butter, bittering our bread and batter. We must find an end to Betty's bitter cocoa butter and hers.
Ooh, how about this one?
Expired.
Yes.
Looks like someone already ate half.
I found another.
Now we're talking super quick. Let's mix it in.
Betty bought a bitter butter because bitter butter's bigger. When she put it in our batter, it did make our batter bitter. But this better bitter butter, it will make our batter better. Now we found the better butter, better than the bitter butter, yeah!
This song makes me wanna dance.
Hey, you're pretty good at that.
Okay, so now you're a tap dancing gingerbread man too.
Come on, Betty, cheer up. Oh, I know. Why don't you give it a try?
Great job, Mindy.
I do love butter.
Hey! Go, Betty! Go, Betty! She's
Way to go, Betty.
Look at you. Amazing.
Hey, 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 hey!
Woo!
Everyone recording. Gingy,
Oh,
you
sorry, I don't know, Betty. I'm really not much of a
Here we go.
Because Betty bought a butter, bittering our bread and batter. We all found it into Betty's bitter butter better.
Oh yeah. Great job, holiday helpers. Now, let's add in the rest of the delicious ingredients.
Is this the right cinnamon?
That's it.
Big, big.
Careful.
This much?
Now a pinch more.
Okay.
Looking good.
So now that we fixed the butter, how do we know that the new batter is ready to go?
I know. With a taste test. Hey, that's the best gingerbread batter I have ever tasted.
Well then, into the oven it goes. Now it's time to add the most important ingredient of all. A sprinkle of holiday magic.
Ugh, back to this magic thing again. This is never going to work.
Where refreshing.
Yeah, and what does it do?
And how do you mix it in?
And what does magic actually taste like?
And having exactly as a sprinkle.
Love
Yeah,
And you
I
can
love
the
it.
entire bag.
Those are all quite wonderful questions. Holiday magic isn't something you buy in a store. It's something you imagine. So start by thinking about all of your favorite things. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens. Bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens. Brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. When the time turns and the stove burns, dirty spoon and knife, I simply imagine my favorite things, and then magic comes to life. That's how easy it is. Now you've heard some of my favorite things. What are yours? Shout them out loud.
Yeah, what are some of your favorite things?
I like that too.
Your favorite things.
How about yours?
Anything else?
Wonderful.
Gingy, I think I thought of some too.
Okay, Pepper, what are they?
Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple fries.
Doorbells.
And sleigh bells!
A carousel rides. Monkeys that fly with moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. When the time turns and the stove dirty spoon and knife, I simply imagine my favorite things, and then magic comes to life. Wait a minute, did you hear that? What was that sound?
Our gingerbread, it's ready.
Look at the little gingerbread man.
That was so easy, we didn't even have to wait for a timer.
Exactly! Believing in a little holiday magic is stupendously simple.
You're right. And it wasn't hard at all. It was actually kind of fun.
And gingerbread isn't the only sweet we can magically bake up today.
Well, it's not.
How about lemon cream pies?
Peanut brittle!
Totally covered cranberries.
I said extra large strawberry banana slip and fruitcake pudding, anchovies and a marshmallow on top. Ooh, what?
Well, if that's what you want to make.
Really? And I want to put marshmallows on everything.
Why not? Anything is possible.
Make a marshmallow world in the kitchen where the crust is crisp and not brown. Easy time to sing. This is whipped cream day. We're happy to have you around.
Aw, gee.
That's marshmallow fluff being melted on the stove next to Billy cream cheese.
Sure is.
And the icing's red like a Santa sled. Baking at 300 degrees. All the doughs are creations. See how it bakes. That's what it takes when you make a cake. The doughs are creation just for a song. So pour out and roll it along.
Look, everyone.
Hey! Thanks, Nikki!
Wow. Hey, nicely done, Graham.
Keep it going.
Hey! Huh? Woo!
Thank you, Gingy.
All right, guys!
And here we go.
Nice job. Hey, hey, up. Woo!
Wait a minute. What's that swirling around in the air?
I've never seen this happen before.
Gingy, what is it?
It's powdered sugar!
Wait, how is that even possible?
Well, that's one of my favorite things. And then in the air.
Graham, you did it!
It's a yum yum world making sweet tarts when the recipes finally unfurl. Now let's set this straight.
Better fill your plate.
In the kitchen, it's a marshmallow world. In the kitchen, it's a marshmallow world.
In the kitchen, it's a marshmallow world.
Gingy, I've never met someone who can bake quite like you before. You're my new best friend.
Yeah, I can't wait for Mrs. Claus to meet you.
You'll totally be hired.
You are a true scientist
Oh, well, that's so nice, thank you. But I won't be able to stay here with you.
What? But how does Mrs. Claus know who taught us how to make all of these amazing treats?
Well, I'm sure Mrs. Claus will believe. And now that all of you believe in the magic of the holidays, my jolly job here is done.
But what about the gingerbread house?
There's no way we can get it done without you.
I have a holiday hunch that you'll figure it out.
Gingy, it's just before you got here, the holidays were all about our mission in the kitchen. But now, the season just seems a bit more magical. Who can take a sunrise, sprinkle it with dew, cover it in chocolate and a miracle or two? Gingy can, oh the gingerbread man.
Gingy can, 'cause he mixes it with love and makes the world taste good.
Oh, and we can take a rainbow and wrap it in a sign.
Soak it in the sun and make it stronger than a pine. Gingy can, oh the gingerbread man. Gingy can, 'cause he mixes it with love and makes the world taste good. Gingy makes everything he makes satisfied and delicious.
Talk about your childhood wishes.
And you can even eat dishes.
Hang on a second, Grant.
Who can take tomorrow? Dip it in a dream.
Dip it in a dream.
Separate the sorrow and collect up all the cream. Gingy can,
Oh, the gingerbread man. Gingy can, 'cause it mixes it with love and makes the world taste good.
The oven! Who turned it on again? He didn't put anything in this time.
Or set a timer.
Well, go ahead. Open it!
The gingerbread house for the elves. And the world tastes good because gingerbread makes it shine.
This is the most beautiful gingerbread house ever made.
Mrs. Claus, she's gonna be so impressed.
Oh, yes, Gingy. Hey, look, Gingy. Guys, where did he go?
Gingerbread Man? It's like he disappeared into thin air. How did he do that?
He was just here and can't believe it.
Well, why couldn't he have stayed a little longer?
Well, since he taught all of us to believe in the magic of the holidays, I imagine he's off sharing that with someone else now.
yeah, like someone who still thinks you can buy holiday magic in a store.
Or that it's something that you can eat.
Or that it's a story only for the elves.
So now we wish that all of you believe in the magic of the holidays too, and share it as you celebrate this season.
May the magic always thrill you, and the cookies always fill you. Happy holidays.
So now it's up to all of us to share Gingy's magic with everyone.
Yeah, let's go spread some holiday cheer.
We're gonna make so many people happy.
I'll get the cookies.
Great job, everyone. Let's go.
Happy holidays.